Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Guys, you know, I discovered an issue in Ninebot Mini Plus and the Ninebot Mini Pro. Both the same problem, you know. I'm gonna tell you about something now, that's why I will back this thing immediately. I prepared the box. Goodbye my friend, goodbye my lover. You got me? I'm gonna back this thing right now. It's not work. You know what I discovered, guys? Listen, we have in this fucking country, Ukraine, that this country full of issues. I don't know what to tell you. Our country is full of problems, full of issues. We not see one happiness from this country. Anyway, we have a kind of tree here, a fucky tree, that she have this. Look, this one. This is what I collect now. She have like this needles. You got me? Look. I put out it now from wheel by this one. This is see by yourself. I put out and still not. Look, it's entered the wheel. Look here. I will put out it now. See? Come on, you bitch. Wait. Let's try to put out it. I put out it. Where this motherfucker? Here. You got me? So see, it's full. Guys, let me tell you something. My wife, she have Ninebot Mini Pro, okay? Her wheel fucked up. As you know, this is tubeless, okay? This is tubeless. She used it like 3 months. Then this wheel fucked up. In my wife Ninebot Mini Pro. After 15 days, this wheel fucked up. What I have done, I went to AliExpress and I ordered 2 new wheels. But I wonder why, and the guarantee is not considering wheel. They said no, our guarantee is not for wheel here in Ukraine. Anyway, in Ukraine here, any kind of guarantee, they will tell you no, go lick your back. They will not change anything for you. Anyway, I see what I bought out from my wife. I bought out from my wife wheel the same. But my wife used her Ninebot Mini Pro for how much? She used it for 6 months or 3 or 4 months, I don't remember. Anyway, the wheel become not new anymore. Now, listen, it's still holding air. It's not out air. No. You know why? Because this is still brand new wheel. You got me? Still tough wheel. Now, you know, I'm gonna tell you something. Now, after 3 months more, this wheel will not become tough anymore. And this spikes from tree or anything is gonna enter the wheel. And again, I'm gonna feel the headache of changing wheel. Guys, you don't have any background about how much headache changing wheel is not easy. You take it to the man that change wheel, he tell you no, without this I would change it for you. He can't change it like this, so you have to put metal here, metal there, put out it by yourself, and this is tough, and the metal will screwed up here, the bending. Anyway, it's fucking project and tireful as hell. That's why the mono wheel is better than this shit. Why Ninebot didn't create it stronger than this? Why they create it like this? Why they didn't create it? Listen, Ninebot, since you know that this wheel is not tough, deal with Michelin. Deal with Michelin or put metal inside the wheel. Put kind of metals, like the real wheel for car. Or go deal with Michelin, or go deal with Michelin or Intercontinental, or I don't know what's her name, or Michelin or Dunlop, or deal with any kind nice brand. Michelin is the best. Whatever is gonna cost Ninebot more expensive, but at least this point is gonna be out of my ass, you know. Guys, I'm gonna back it now to the shop. No. I will wait for InMotion V10F. I already ordered one from AliExpress. I'm gonna wait until it came. I will do free unboxing everything. I will handle walking in street. I handle suffering in sun, but I will back him because after 3 months, this wheel will become more weak, and the spikes from the trees, the leaves, or I don't know what is this, they will enter the wheel and the air will out, and I have to search for wheels from AliExpress and waiting and fucking life as hell. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And if you wanna buy it, buy this liquid Rini Flat and fill it by Rini Flat. If you wanna buy this one, don't fill it by normal air. Fill it by this bottle that holes. You got me, Rini Flat liquid, and fill them both. There is American kind, nice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And we will see you again in other videos. And this is so important issue about the Ninebot Mini Plus or Mini Pro, any one of them. And see you in another video. And don't forget, please, to subscribe and put thumbs up. And peace and love for everyone.